this cute emoji clock. USB charger given. So here is the cute emoji clock. As you can see, it shows the temperature and you can tap on it and you will get some cute symbols, and this is the time. On both sides you will also have the light lobe. Keep tapping on it and the symbols will change. And if you press on top of this button, the light intensity will increase. As you can see, it will become brighter. So this is the port where you can charge using this charger and connect to your USB. So at the back you can see there are so many symbols. The volume button, the music button. Let's check this. You can set alarm as you wish and enjoy this clock. Isn't it cute? And thanks for watching.